Ducky Fauntleroy is literally Donald Duck in Spanish. You might be wondering, why is that? Well, actually, it's Patel Donald that it means Donald Duck in Spanish. So this car's name is pretty much Donald Duck. Yeah, that is a literal hint, like Pixar Easter egg there, which I actually like. And also, Ducky Fauntleroy is the 12th Piston Cup racer from Doc's Racing Days. We've got a lot left to go. We're getting Joe John Jackson next. He was most likely 100% the next one we'll be getting. Just that we haven't seen him in the package yet. But yeah, I do love this red paint job. And this is the third red new car from the case I will be reviewing. Of course, you would have already seen videos on Racing Red Jackson, which is red. Bunny Ears Lightning McQueen, or Lightning McQueen as the Easter Buggy, which is also red. And Ducky Fauntleroy, which is also red. So yeah, 3 red cars in this case, and the 3 new cars in this case are actually all red, which is kind of funny, and I only just noticed that now. But yeah, so we're 1 minute into the video, so without further ado, let's start off with this review. So of course, as usual, I'm going to put him down here and say where I got him from. I got him from Get Me Collectibles. You know his name, you know him by now. If you seriously don't bother asking. Anyways, today we'll be unboxing Ducky Fauntleroy. Pretty sick legend racer. I believe he is the same model as Randy Lawson and Hood, which is his name, of course, Slim Hood. But yeah, so taking a close look at his packaging now. Do like the car. We'll be opening him up in a little bit. Here is the Mattel logo, of course, 3+. Does come with no paper stickers. You can see Ducky Fauntleroy and Patel Donald. Pretty sick name. Love it. Just going to call him Donald Duck. You can see his sick artwork here. I actually do like his artwork, one of the sickest. So if you want to take a screenshot, you guys can of the screenshot here. But yep, he is new. Novel for 2021. There's the car's logo. Pretty cool. Metal, just so you know, guys know. He is doing the Horizon Desert line as well. On the back, we can see some other Cars 3 characters, except for one. You can see, as seen in Cars 3. We will show you in a little bit. But Fillmore, Dinoco Cruise, love Dinoco Cruise. Kathy, that's not in Cars 3, cross her out. Pat Jackson, Ducky himself, which looks like a metallic red paint. Looks pretty cool. Murray Clutchburn and Aiden. Of course, we've got the copyright on the gibberish on the back. Pretty cool. Made in Thailand. So that is this package review, and of course I'll be right back with him all opened up. So here he is all opened up out of the package, and he looks amazing. So, of course, for his movie scene, he was mostly seen with Doc and the other legends back in the days, the Retro Piston Cup. But we can see Lightning McQueen watching, and you can see him zooming past, only in it for a split second. This time I actually can get a clear picture of where he was seen in the movie. So, you know, finally, yay. But yeah, anyways, let's get on to the review. I love Ducky. Look at his smile. He is, of course, very happy to be a Piston Cup racer back in the 1950s. You can see that smile on his face there. That looks just pretty cool. He's got his bumper as well. Got his grille, his lights. Pretty cool. Do actually like it. On the hood, it's actually kind of cool. It says Cheerio Old Toots. And there's like a little horn here. Like it how it's like Cheerios and, you know, Old Toots. Pretty cool. Love that slogan. You can see the Thailand eyes because he is still being made in Thailand. On the top, it's got 42 on this side instead of like it would be usually on this side. But yeah, 42. Reminds me a little bit of Cal Weathers, the Soul 42 racer for Dinoco. We can see his signature on the side, Ducky Fauntleroy. Check for errors, Ducky Fauntleroy. Pretty cool. On the back, we can see all these like slogans. Of course, it says Blowy Belsom's Safety Horns. I think that is Blowy Belsom's Safety Horns. Yes, that's what it says. It was a bit blurry. I couldn't quite see it. I had to look at it through my camera. 42 in yellow again. Some blurry decals on the back. Got a Dinoco decal here. card line here, I think that says. Pretty cool. Onto the side now. We can see. Again, pretty cool. We see, like, I like how they've got the rust detailing on the bottom here. Because where he would be racing in the dirt. He's got his usual basic rims. And yep, you can see the slogan again. Blowy Balsam's safety horns. Got this little, like, thing coming out the side here. Got the Dynaco sponsor here again. And it's funny how it says Dynaco when Cal Weathers was Dynaco as well for 42. How odd. Maybe he was a Dynaco racer. 42 on the door. And we've got that cheery old Toot slogan again. Pretty cool. Quality safety horns. Again, I love it. Here's the base if you are interested for those collectors. Made in week 45, Thailand. We'll quickly compare him to Randy Lawson because he is exactly the same model. So, of course, Randy was the Sputter Stop racer. Pretty cool. Let me know which one you like better. I think I'll have to go with Ducky for this one. And also, another one that is exactly the same model as him is Hood. Because Hood's name is like the quotations around Slim. So that means they called him Slim Hood. Maybe he slimmed his way through the pack. And actually, no, he is a different model. You can see that he is longer. So, is he the same size as Leroy Hemming? That's odd, I didn't realise that. So the only other model that is the same as him is this one. So, of course, it's not a new model release. But I am glad that we are getting these. So we're going to bring out all the legends that I currently have. Just to quickly show you, I do have Floyd Morgan, but I don't have a second one yet. So I cannot open him up. We got Ducky, which is the main feature. We got Duke, Coulters. We got Heyday, Junior Moon. We got Ellie Turnpike, which is one of my favourites as well, which was in the 2-pack with Heyday. River Scott, one of the main ones. We got Jet Robinson, pretty sweet. I don't know where to put him. I'll put him here, I guess. Move out the way, you two. There you go. And we got Louise Nash. So yeah, Ducky Fauntleroy was the 12th Piston Cup racer to get released. The 13th one will be Joe Don Jackson. Let's hope he doesn't get cancelled. If you guys are new, please smash that like button, subscribe, always make sure you hit that bell as well. And of course, to the next one, peace guys.